everyone, welcome to my channel Licklix. In this video, I'm going to tell you some basic concepts of Java. How Java is used, what are its syntax, how to run a Java program, and how to implement classes and objects in Java. I'm going to cover a basic Java, a code Java tutorial in this video. So starting with my Java first program. So I need an editor. I'm using right now Notepad++ for Java for building up a Java program. First of all, you need to install a JDK that you can just download from the internet with the help of google.com, and you can just type here download JDK. So JDK for Windows or Mac, whatever you are using, either your window is 64-bit or 32-bit. So according to that, you can just download the JDK onto your computer and you can just install. So I'm going to install JDK from File Hippo is a website. You can just install JDK from here. Just you can download it, and you can just install this particular Java. So after installing your Java, and you can just open an editor, like I have opened my editor as Notepad++, and you can just I'm going to type here as class sample. We can say here as public static void main. I'm going to explain you what are the basics words, like what is class and public, what is static, system.out.println. It should be hello to Java. So basically class as a keyword, class is a keyword, and your sample is a class name. You can give a class name as alphanumeric, but you have to always start with your alphabet. It can't be one sample, it can be sample one. So every class name should be started with your alphabet. Then public is an access specifier, and the static is a keyword, which means that there should be only a one main function in your whole program. Void is a return type, means your main function does not return anything, and the main is a function. You must have one main function in your Java program. So in the Java program, the main function is we pass an argument to a main function, that is a string type argument, a string type array. So string is a class. So in Java, any class is started with a title case. It's a case sensitive language. Java is a case sensitive. So string is S, should be a capital because it is a class. The argument is of type array, so I have written here as AR, that is the array name, and the two square brackets opening and closing, that defines an array. System is again a class, so S is capital, out is an output stream, and println is basically the method that is being used to print any the, the string in front of you. So I'm going to save this. I have clicked on a Control S. So I'm going to type here as Java. I'm going to create a program. So right now I have created a class named sample. So I'm going to save this file as sample1.java. So I have saved this file as sample1.java. Now I'm going to open them. I need to just click on an address bar, right click over here, and I have to just click on a copy. So I need to open a command prompt, and I'm going to paste my say cd. CD is a change directory. Then I have to right click over here, and I need to just click enter. So enter. After entering, I'm going to enter the path, like the folder which I have created, that is C drive user new desktop Java. So C drive user new desktop Java. If I'm going to go for dir, then I have a file name sample1.java. So in order to run your Java file, you need to just compile it with Java C. So I'm going to write here as that Java C is a compiler that is going to run your Java file. So Java C, it should be a sample1.java. So here my file goes sample1.java. I need to compile this file. So as you are seeing that whenever I'm going to compile this file and another after compilation of that particular file, there's a new file created that is sample.class. So this is a class file. Whenever you are going to compile any Java file, its class file is always being created. So now I have to run this file. So to run this file, so this is the steps for running my Java program. Steps for running a Java program. So first of all, you need to just go for its compilation. So with the help of Java C is Java compiler. You can just compile your program, and after compilation, you need to run this program with the help of Java, that is interpreter. So Java is an interpreter. You need to just implement, say here as Java, and whatever the file name you have saved with, that is sample one. So right now you have a class named sample. Either so to run a file, you need to call its class name, not with the file name which you have been saved. So in order to avoid the conflict, so I can just rename my this sample class to sample one. So you need to always save your file with your class name for now. You can say here as sample1 is a class name, and you need to save this file with the sample1.java. And now you have just compiled your file with the Java C compiler, and after compilation, yeah, the class file is being generated. So after Java is an interpreter, so Java sample one, you have to just write the file name without its extension. And if I'm going to click enter over here, it does not load anything because right now we have a class file with sample.class, because earlier it was sample, the class sample. So we need to just again compile a file that is sample1.java, Java C sample1.java. So here you can just say here as enter. So one more class file is being generated with the name sample1.class, because right now my file name, the class name is sample1. So now I need to just interpret it by calling the Java interpreter, and after Java interpreter, I need to write my file name, that is sample1. So I need to click enter over here. So when I'm going to enter, then whatever the written, it is in the system out println and in double quotes, whatever it is written, it is being displayed onto my screen, that is hello to Java. So having a quick review of all the things that I have been taken, class is a keyword, sample one is a class name. You can just change your, you can just have your class name started with a alphabet. You can't start it with a number. Public is a access specifier. Static is a keyword that defines that you should have a one main function in your Java program. Void means that it is not having any return value. Main is a function. You should always have a main function in your Java program. Then main function always take a string type array. So I have taken up a string type array. The AR system is a class, and out is an output stream. Like we have two strings, input and output stream. So out is an output stream because we need to print, to call a println method. So println is an inbuilt method of Java, which is instead going to print whatever it has been written in its double quotes. So to compile, I have to call a Java C, that is Java compiler file_name.java, and after compilation, we need to call its interpretation with the help of Java. Only Java, that is the interpreter, and I need to go for Java interpreter, and I have to mention my file name sample1. So in this way, you can just run your Java program. I hope you understand the basic concepts of running a Java program, how to run a Java program, what are its different keywords or specifiers used in a Java program. So I hope you like my video. So do subscribe to my channel, Nicklex, in order to get all the latest stuff, in order to get all the stuffs related to Java programming. So thanks for watching my video.